Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Janitor AI error code 503. This error comes when users try to access Janitor AI but are unable to connect. According to our research, this is a system-side error that generally appears when the Janitor AI servers are facing issues or are down for maintenance. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet connection. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still shows up, then make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is updated to its latest version. If everything is in place but the error still comes, then most likely the issue is on their end. In that case, we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.